And I'm one of the lucky ones that have the innovation slot. However, let me give you a suggestion of what my life is like when there is no innovations coverage. I have to depend on 79-year-old father and a 78-year-old mother to do what DSP can do in 2 hours. Basically, it would take them all day. So, and my concern is after my natural sports are no longer here on this earth, what would I do? I am a self-advocate, and I am going to remind you that I am my own guardian. And I do not want to be placed in an ICF or a group home for that matter. It's with the support of wonderful people like Bill here that I am able to be in front of you today and be in front of the community, have jobs, and a friend, talk to friends. I am part of a team today that is lived experience network speaks. And you've already heard from my co-chair, Cheryl. And as she mentioned, there's only 14,000 people like myself on the Innovations Waiver. And 18,000 plus without services. Today, I am asking you for 3 things. Eliminate the wait list, protect Medicaid, and the DSP wages have to be increased. Let me leave you with this important thought. If you had an individual with a disability, would you want them on the registry of unmet needs? Thank you.